then Gary asked, does dropping a single word into negative keyword as a phrase match stop all phrases containing that word?
So yeah, so a phrase match is so a negative match works exactly like the normal keyword matches. So if you were to put the phrase bottle in broad, it will block any word that somebody searches with the word bottle in it. If they put water bottle into a phrase match, it's going to block anything that has the term water bottle in it, whether there's words before or after it. And then exact same thing. It's going to block anything that's just the exact term. Generally, when you do negative matching, you want to do exact or phrase. Very rarely will you want to go broad because you could have some crazy, results with that. I almost never do anything but exact, unless it's something that I know for sure is not, never ever going to convert. That's showing up in my auto campaign, then you might want to use phrase. But generally, exact is the match on the negative side.